Hello traders, welcome to Trader. In today's video. We are going to show you the behavior of candle and all the time frames, so kindly focus open Olymp trade change to Japanese candlestick. Now you can see the green candle was made in the 1 minutes time frame, which mean the candle will be of 1 minutes, which mean the expiry time of the candle will depend on time frame. If you set time frame of 5 minutes, the candle expiry will of 5 minutes. So let's make some trade only on the signals of the candle. I put a trade, let's see result. The trade got win. If any brother can understand our strategies and videos can join our 13-page sure shot personally on Telegram. Kindly mail us for further info. Thanks, your friendly trader Jay Shriram.